Today, I'm excited to introduce CrayonDAO. A DAO is a service platform for anyone to start a Web3 native investment club with no tech, crypto, tokenomics, or coding skills involved. The CrayonDAO team wanted to show how easy it is to use the DAO as a service platform and showed its capability during the Launchpad Luna program by forming a new DAO, winning a historic Korean national treasure from a Korean museum in just 8 days, end to end. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to CrayonDAO's CEO and founder, Leon Kim.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your time today. My name is Leon, and I'm the founder and CEO of Crayon. Crayon is a DAO as a service platform where we strive to provide supports for 100 plus entrepreneurs that wants to transform the world in the form of NFT DAOs. We provide easy, intuitive, yet feature-rich platform for them to play around with. And obviously, with DAO as our focus, it is very important to understand the deep needs of DAO. So Crayon is actually taking a big part of this new DAO called Heritage DAO, of whose mission is to buy a national treasure of South Korea. So it all started with us having heard the news that is relatively tragic. So due to the pandemic COVID, one of the most reputable and oldest private art museum in South Korea were forced to sell their national treasures to survive. And after we heard the news, we recruited the team in 3 days, raised a fund for 24 hours, over 600 ETH, and ended up purchasing one of the national treasures within 8 days from the day of the inception of the idea. And throughout the course, we were able to spread the message and raise awareness about this across millions of people worldwide. Our next step is to work with various partners across multiple industry and verticals to create a very comprehensive and immersive NFT minting campaign. And throughout the course of doing this, obviously we are going to learn a lot. We are learning a lot, and we are going to leverage this experience to help out our DAOs that's going to run their campaigns from deployment, taking members, and building the communities, and deploying the funds treasury through governance. Our unit economy is very simple. We collect percentage of the funds collected by DAO. So now we're thinking of taking 5%. So in the case of Heritage DAO, we would have made the revenue of 50 Ethereum. And for other services such as NFT collateralized loans, NFT rental and lease, we are going to charge them fees. And all the revenues generated is going to be used to appreciate the native token Cray. When it comes to Cray's utility, everything revolves around how we strive to support the DAOs. So it starts with the community building, management, governance, and treasury. And in short, our success depends on the success of the DAO. So our token economy is all designed around that. In the longer term, we want to and strives to build a mainnet that's going to be optimized for our DAOs and our DAO. And in the longer run, we also want to provide our own stablecoin system through the collateralized deposition and burn to mint. And in the longer term, we want to get to the top 20 in the coin market cap. We had a great opportunity to deep dive into our competitors when we were launching a DAO campaign around Heritage. And with great pleasure, we combine all the pros, got rid of cons, and we are heavily focusing on the parts that we think are missing in our competitors, such as community engine. We are entrepreneurs, techies, and financiers of the blockchain startups, enterprises, and other VC funds and funds. And some of the services that we have designed are being used by most reputable companies such as Samsung, Hyundai, and banks, even in South Korea. And today we are here to ask you to join our governance council. So governance council is part of the CrayonDAO's core treasury system, where we invite influencers, KOLs, media, crypto OGs, and exchanges to partake as a DAO member to support DAO campaigns that's coming up on our platform. So if you want to learn more about us, please shoot me an email, and we would love to see you on our platform soon. Thank you so much.